If you're looking for a powerful home security solution, the Blink Outdoor 4 might be exactly what you need. This 5-camera system offers advanced features packed into a compact, wire-free design that's incredibly easy to install and use. The Blink Outdoor 4 is the newest model in Blink's popular lineup, and it doesn't disappoint. Each camera delivers crisp HD video with a live view option so you can check in on your home at any time from your phone. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or just upstairs, peace of mind is always within reach. One of the standout features is the 2-year battery life. That's right, no charging every few weeks or monthly battery swaps. Once installed, these cameras just work, giving you round-the-clock protection without hassle. With enhanced motion detection, the system does a great job of catching activity around your property. You'll get alerts right on your phone when something moves in view, so you're never left wondering what's going on outside your door. The two-way audio feature is a great bonus. You can hear and talk through the camera, which is perfect for greeting delivery drivers, warning off unwanted visitors, or just saying hi to the kids when they get home. The system also works seamlessly with Alexa, adding voice control to your security setup. Just ask Alexa to show your front door camera or any of the 5 cameras you've placed around your home. If you're looking for a simple, reliable, and smart way to secure your home, the Blink Outdoor 4 is a top contender. To get your hands on this powerful 5-camera system, be sure to visit the link in the description below.